Kaon mga kababayan.
Pwede ako maghawak.
Sige ate. Thank you ate. Salamat sa iyong kuan no.
Kain po. Di ba?
Namin yung mong banang luto? Kabrood na siya? So, chef na siya?
Ako na po.
Pangutan.
Asa pa kaniya gani?
Course.
Course. Are you a chef?
Chef imong bana? Or
Hilig
kapitan?
hobby.
Or kapitan? Kapitan na siya.
It's as accountant sales manager. Uy. Ano?
Lami.
No kidding.
I also make chili paste.
Wow.
Good uy.
Yeah, it's homemade kana. Antog to?
Shrimp paste.
Yeah, no chili.
You're not Filipino. Philippines, murag yung Pinoy.
Kami ito lang sa.
Lami ba?
Iya ko, murag.
Ito ba? Yung Dutch, nagluluto ng pansit, nagkakamay. Wag kaya dyan.
After 9 years, I can cook this. I go Philippines 9 years ago, first time.
Where do you live in the Philippines?
Bohol.
Bohol.
We are from Bohol.
Where in Bohol?
Island.
Yeah,
From Ubay?
Picabo Islands?
Yep.
Near Ubay.
May cook dyan, ha? Kaon ba? Kaon?
Liquor?
Like,
Lami.
Oh my God. I never.
kain po. Yung oras dito is 7:44 na ng gabi. Di ba?
I also cook
Dutch po yan. Kaon.
So, kuya, saan ba kayong, ito
Yeah.
yung ninyo? Doon sa ano?
Thank you po. Siya po nagluto, Thank you for watching. Oh!
Oh my God, yung
Oh, you know, last time we ate in there on the.
Yeah, we bring also food. March 23.
Then one cat come.
We
Got some still foods.
tarong ba lamira? Oy, lamira lami.
grabe ka lang, murag yung Pinoy.
Next time I will bring lechon belly.
Atong picture doon ako na makinundo ko mga pa.
Leche plan, lechon belly, biko. Yeah.
That one.
Pork pala.
Lechon belly, leche plan, biko, maha.
I don't know how to cook, I only know how to eat.
I get starving na.
Lechon pata.
Bato ka kay Alvin.
Oh,
Nakalive ka?
thank you.
Gusto kahit halang eh.
Walang kayo.
Yeah,
Ano ka meron inom?
Bawal ba sa gobyerno?
Lingaw kaayo ba sa mga Bisaya? Akong bana nagluto.
You're so lucky because
So, sir, pag visit mo sa amo
Nakakupulay ka?
Also lumpia. Kaon ba? Complete na with paper plates pa.
You like cooking?
yeah.
Asian food.
Asian food only.
No Dutch
You
food.
know, no kidding, your bihon is like when you go to fiesta in Bohol.
Yeah.
I know
Yes.
you have a lot of fiesta,
Yes.
no? This is what it feels.
Yeah.
It tastes like that.
it tastes like really a big one, you know?
Yeah, because we use our pancit bihon.
Yeah.
Our pancit bihon at Canton.
From the Philippines.
Yeah. I have always stuck in our home because he likes to cooking.
Galing naman, nakuha mo sa... Paano niya natutunan yun?
Tanungin mo ba? Tagalog ka na naman dyan, Bisaya tayo. Oh.
Ano bitong pagkahitabo ka Duterte? Mura ba ito diri dagandagan lagi diri kay nagulat man ito sa iya ha. Hindi kay ina naman din gilipat kay syempre magkagubot di ang tao kumusulod ka nga. Oto.
Itong na yung mga sakyan nga kuan ba wang asam to pita katong
Ya, kana.
Kana lagi.
Likod pa.
Nakita rin ito ninyo?
kita rin mo.
Opo.
Gabi pag ito tugno pag ito kayo. Nakalala pag kape naman gani katugno.
It's diet, ha? Because you need to sing and more energy. Yeah.
But I couldn't resist every time I see Bihon.
Luya bitong ang tatay no.
Wala na, pero na ay agaw.
Pagkapait.
Yeah, I think you switch numbers already, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I will message you.
Facebook.
Yeah.
Ikaw taga-asaman ka?
Darcy man.
So Tagalog
Siya ang vlogger.
Siya ang vlogger na si Man.
Kaya pala hindi siya masyado responsive kasi Tagalog. Kumaga hindi siya nintindihan ko lang. Kasi Tagalog ang Quezon Province, right?
Oh, San Miguel daw. Isang
Di sa kukay.
Ako na.
Mikiri mo hinikit.
Salamat ka ayo di sa kung ino.
ringaw kaya no.
Over lang niya dito sa mga barko kay tambay dito kay
Thank you po.
Pwede rin no, kaya makaunta sa mga street, kaya di abog ba, okay kayo. No? Kaya
Sa ato adili.
Sa ato, di natin mabuhat ka na sa ating kasada.
Dili pwede.
Nagkaroon ko sa weather, kaya di na kaya siya init.
But you also live in Utrecht? Or New
No, dinhak.
Oh, Den Haag, okay.
How long have you how long are you a seafarer?
No, he's
No,
not.
I'm not.
Fair.
They are the
No, I'm in sales. I work for a huge company worldwide, Weert. Also have that in Philippines. We are selling fasteners, but my
Fasteners.
fasteners like screw, bolts,
Yeah, I know that, yeah.
glue, everything that needs to, hold the house together.
Yeah.
So my customers are constructors.
Okay.
Yeah,
So it's quite, it's quite big.
that's why I have company car and everything.
And at the same time, you cook Filipino food. That's
Yeah,
amazing.
also, yeah.
It's only for hubby, ah?
Plus, not every Dutch can really cook.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
We normally,
You only cook
we
patat,
normally
sampot.
for the
Yeah,
Dutch people.
I cannot eat that.
Yeah.
My gosh, yeah, she wanted to try, but now she said no. I know now already. I don't like it.
How about you? You drive as well or no?
No.
After my vacation for driving.
Are you
Yeah,
going to the Philippines?
next month.
No, I'm not. I'm past this time because my work not allows me to have 1 month, and they say, oh, you can go 1 week.
No, that's not.
So
No.
no,
That's what I do
I
now.
need 2 days recovery in the
Exactly,
Philippines, and then
Come
yeah,
back again.
then I drink
Red horse.
Red Horse and and tuba. No, not too much tuba.
You drink tuba?
I have drink tuba before, but yeah. But my favorite is the Red Horse.
Asa mo mo der?
Yeah, ako sa Dinhagra ko na.
Ora.
I just around starting quarter year.
Sisir.
Ako sa
Mas
kwanto.
attract na siya.
Trek ko siya.
Ay, sayang no. Di naman ito
Yun
maigo.
naman. Huwag ako mo.
Mm.
Mas maayo
It's
na.
very
Yeah,
easy.
sometimes I regret I not take the 7-seater. That I have the option to have
You
7
can
seats.
actually pick.
Yeah.
I not do. I don't think, oh my gosh, what to do with 7 seats?
Exactly, no,
You know,
no.
my kids is already living by
Grown ups.
themselves, and then we are together. And no,
Yeah.
but this time oh my gosh, yeah. For now,
And then
it's
you
like
just realize that your family is expanding.
yeah.
Sir Alvin, tayo ko. Kabuing. Pag-sure mo ka.
Pagdarong mo dara, oy. Magay mo na lang si Sir Alvin og kanang apam for apam for hunting, ha?
Grabe, no?
Ah.
Kailan ano sa mundo?
Grabe po.
Don't drink tobacco, it's baho.
So I'm a big fan of Tanduay.
It's a rum.
Together with her brother.
Delayed eh siya, no?
Oh, delayed na.
Oo.
Delayed
Karon
na.
ako na delayed eh siya.
Please contact namin yung duha. Nya. Karo kay nagdili man among pay kay among crew change yan among kapuli. Ay ang visa. Wala pa man ma-approve. Ma-release ba? Mo tong nawa ko sa dagong nga pwede ba makasulit ka diyo. Okay mo kay siya.
So diretso US? Sa diretso US?
Dili.
Tubay. Yes, kita daw si Ma'am Ben.